Welcome to Closers Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and welcome back SS1 and 2 students of God's Own School. So today we'll be talking about presentation of data, which is statistics 1. So from now to the end of the term we are going to be talking about statistics. Now the first thing is statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is the process of collecting, arranging, analyzing and processing data to be able to make decision. So that is what we call statistics, the process of collecting, arranging. So you should know these three words. They have the most important thing when it comes to statistics: collecting, arranging, analyzing and processing data to be able to make decision. So under that, don't forget that we talk about collecting, arranging, analyzing and processing. So after collecting, arranging, analyzing, in order to process the data, we need what we call data presentation. And that's where our next thing comes in: data presentation. What is data presentation? Data presentation is the part of statistics that deal with presentation of the collected data. So imagine that they collect the data of God's Own School. So there are about 150 students in God's Own School. I guess I'm saying how many boys, how many girls. Then how many boys are in SS1? How many girls are in SS1? How many boys are in SS2? How many girls are in SS2? These are what? Presentation. So the process of presenting those information so that it can make sense and can be interpreted is what we call presentation of data. And there are different ways of presenting data. The first one is the tally chart. The tally chart is a simple way of grouping your collected data, and it is bundled data in 5. That means under this tally we say this is 1. Are you seeing that? This is 2, this is 3, this is 4. But once it is 5, I will cross from the right to the left. Are you seeing that? So this means 5. So if I want to do 10 for tally now, 10 in tally will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you seeing that now? That is tally. Do you understand that now? So it is always in 5s, and the recording is quite easy and effective. And I said here that it is also important to remember that you give a space between the bundle. You can see the way I did mine. You can see after doing 5, I give a space. You can see the space. This space is what we are talking about. Do you understand that now? So that is the space we are talking about. You don't just join them together. Are you getting that now? So we are going to see the analysis in our example. Now we have another thing, which is the frequency. The frequency is a way to summarize data. Frequency is the way to summarize data in statistics, and it is it is the measure of the occurrence of every particular number in a data collection. And we said that frequency of occurrence can be used to simple summary. Frequency of occurrence can be used to simply summarize can be used to simple summary present data in a tabular form, or the number of occurrence. Or that means the number. What we are trying to say there is that frequency is like the number of time something occur. So you are going to see example 2 here. Now let's look at this example. Look at this example here. This example says, in a class, the following outcome were recorded when a die was thrown for 30 times. So now we have a die being thrown how many times? 30 times. Now we have something we want to achieve here. They say we should present this data in in a frequency table. Now, if you are to present it in a frequency table, the first thing you need is you would have this X that you have in this box here. Are you seeing that now? This X means the numbers you have, each number. So we have 1, you can see 1 here. We have 2, you can see 2. We have 3, you can see 3. We have 4, you can see 4. We have 5, you can see 5. So these are the major numbers that we have in this part. Every other number is just the repetition of this other number that we have here. Now let's count. You see, this is the most important part. Now let's count. How many 1 do I have here? 1. Okay, let me mark that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 1s. So you can see the tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is what you can see here. Can you see that now? That is exactly 7. So now let's count. Let's count how many what's it called now? How many 2 do we have there? So let's clean 1. We are done with 1. So how many 2s do I have there? So let's count the 2. Okay, I'm coming. I want to show you something. Let me bring this back. Okay, now I don't want to clean that circle I did for 1. I want to show you something in case you are doing your own in exam. You know, you can't be able to clean. Now when you are doing the exam and you count your 1, you want to count the next number, you use another sign. You know, you have used circle to do for 1, so you use another sign to count your 2. So if you want to count your 2, now you use another sign. So there is no 2 in this first row. In the second row here now, do we have 2 there? So let's check. So this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing that now? So we have 4. 2 occur 4 times. So you can see this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see the table there? So that is just exactly 4. All right. So the next one now, 3. How many 3 do we have there? You can use another sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you seeing that now? That is 8. So 8 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Are you seeing that now? That is what? That is 8. Do you get that now? All right. So the next one now, the next one that we are going to now is 4. So this part of counting is the most important part. So 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. You can see it here, 5. Then 6 occur how many times? 6. Okay, 5 now. I want to count 5 now. 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 times. Do you see that now? Now see, this is where the thing comes in. The beauty is, if you add all these values together, you must get the number we said here, which is what? 30. If you do not get 30, then you are wrong. So let's add 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 5 is 13. And then 6. So let's add together. This will give us 0. I will remain 1. So this will give us 3. So that's 30. That means our data here is very correct. Are you seeing that now? So that means our data there is very what? Correct. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So that's another way to know if what you are doing is actually correct. Are you getting that now? All right. So we are done with this. That's to confirm that everything you are doing is correct. So that's what we have to do in this example 1. I get something now. That's what you have to do in this example 1. Now there is also another thing called relative frequency. There is something called relative frequency that I'm going to add to this table. Relative frequency. Relative frequency. Now when we talk about relative frequency, the formula for relative frequency is actual frequency over, so the formula for relative frequency, this is relative frequency. Now you may be asking your question, is relative frequency always part of a frequency table? No, it is not always part, but if I want it to be part, I will specifically say that find relative frequency. I get what I'm saying. You will be specifically told that find the relative frequency. So the formula for relative frequency is actual frequency over total frequency. I get what I'm saying. Actual frequency over what? Over total frequency. So that means if I want to do the frequency of this one now, don't forget that the total number we got here is what? 30. Are you seeing that? So the relative frequency of the first one, let me change the pen. The relative frequency of this first one will be what? 7 over what? Over 10, which will give us 0.7. Are you seeing that now? This will give us 0.0. It is not 10. I was saying 10. It is not 10. It is 30. So let me rule that part again. Don't mind me. I'm still trying to use this new ruler. Are you seeing this now? So let me clean this one. It's too thick. So this is another one. This is another one. This is another one. Alright, this is another one. Then this is the last one. So if you want to do the relative frequency of each of them, so you just do the number. So this one, for the first one, it will be 7 over 30. Are you seeing that now? So we'll look at what that value will give us. 7 divided by 30. 7 divided by 30. That will give us what? So the next one is 4 divided by 30. Are you seeing that? The next one is 8 divided by 30. The next one is 5 divided by 30. The next one is 6 divided by 30. Are you getting that now? So let's see what we will have. 7 divided by 30 will give us 0.23. So this is 0.23. Are you seeing that? 0.23. Then 4 divided by 30. 4 divided by 30. That will give us what? 0.13. Then we have 8 divided by 30. 8 divided by 30. That will give us 0.26. 27. Approximately 0.27. Then 5 divided by 30. 5 divided by 30. That will give us 0.17. Then we have the last one, 6 divided by 30. 6 divided by 30. That will give us 0.2. Now if you add all these ones together, you must get 1.0. So let's add it together. So we have 0.23 plus 0.13 plus 0.27 plus 0.17 plus what again? Plus 0.2 plus 0.2. Can see exactly 1.0. So you can add it on your own calculator too. So once you get 1.0, this is the same thing like saying 100%. That means this your data is 100% accurate. You know, this one is the same thing as saying 23%. This is the same thing as saying 23%, 13%, 27%, 17%, 2%. I get what I'm saying now. So if you add everything together, you will also get what? You will also get, what's it called? 100%. I get what I'm saying. So, but if you put it in decimal, you should get approximately 1.0. Do you understand that? So that's how to do that if you want to find your relative frequency. All right. So then we have another example here. Look at this other example. We said the mark scored, this is scored, not scared. The mark scored by 30 students in a class were recorded as follow. Another 30 students. So maybe SS1 students are 30 in God's own school. All right. So we have here that we have this data. So we want to present it in a frequency table. So you can see the table also, just like I did the other time. So you start from the list number, which is 1, then you go to the next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 10. I get what I'm saying. This one that we are doing here is ungrouped data. I get what I'm saying now. This topic we are doing here is ungrouped data, not grouped. This one is ungrouped, not grouped. This one is ungrouped. I get what I'm saying. Ungrouped data. So this one is ungrouped data. When we talk about group data, we'll be doing that in the next video. Group data are like maybe like 1 to 3, 4 to 7, 8 to 10, etc. I get something. These are the ones that we call grouped data. But this one that we are doing here now is what is ungrouped data. I get something now. So you can see what we have there too. So you can write this example to follow it, count it, and make sure that it is complete. How will I know if it is complete? So if I want to know whether what I have is complete, how many students they say? They say 30 students. So let's add up. If you get 30, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 11 is 19, 19 plus 6, 25. How many students did they say here? I'm not sure this 30 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 40 students, not 30. It is 40 students. 40. Let me clean that and write that very well. This is 40 students, not 30. It is 40 students. Do you understand that now? So this is 40 students, not 30, because if you add everything here together, you will get 40. And so I said adding this together too should be able to give us what now? 40. I get what I'm saying. So let's add up together again based on what this information is telling us. This is how I will confirm. If I'm marking your work, I will just check this. If it's not correct, that means your data is not correct too. So I have 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 11, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 31 plus 2, 33 plus 2, 34 plus 2, 35. Am I correct? Am I correct? Let me check how many number we have there again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This is 30, not 40. Please forgive me. It's 30. So that means the presentation we have here then is not, or let's add up again. Let's add up and see again. Let's add up and see. This is the most important part of this work. If this list is not correct, that's all. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 11, 19. 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. That's not correct. Okay, let's do the table by ourselves and let's count. So you will have X, then you will have your frequency, your tally. You will have your tally, we want to confirm that data in that PDF is not, so we have our frequency. So let's do it. The number, we have 1, and then we have 2. Do we even have 2 there? Okay, we have 2 there. We have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, then we have 8, we have 9 and 10. So 1, let's count together. 1 is how many times? 1, 2, this is 2, but you see what I'm doing now? This is 2, so I think that's all. 1 is 2 times, so this 2. Then we have 2 now. 2 occur how many times? 1, 2, 3. 2 occur 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3. Then the next number is what? The next number is 3 now. How many times do we have 3? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Then 4. How many times? 4. 1, 2, 3. So that one is 3. 1, 2, 3. That one is 3. I think is the 4 parts they made mistake. They wrote 11. That's the only mistake that is there. I've seen it already. So 5 is how many now? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So this is 6. Then 6 occur how many times? 1. 6 occur how many times? 1, and then 2, 3. So I think that's all. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 7 occur how many times? 7 occur how many times? 1, 2, 3. 7 occur 3 times also. So this is 1, 2, 3 also. Then 8 occur how many times? 1, 2. I think that's all there. So 8 occur 2 times. 2. Then 9 occur how many times? 1, 2 also. So 9 occur 2 times also. And then 10 occur how many times? 1, 2. So that one to occur 2 times. Now don't forget I said when you add everything here up now you should get 30. So let's see. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 23 plus 2, 25. Do I count well again? This thing is the most important part of everything that we have been doing. The most important part. If it is not complete, there is a problem. Let's add again. I hope I'm correct. Let's add again. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. Then there is something missing again. 7. How many 7 do we have? Okay, I think 4. 4. I said 4 is 3, right? I did not count this 4. Look at this 4 that is hiding here. That's 4. That's the only thing that is there already. So this one is 4, not 3. This one is 4, not 3. So this is 4, not 3. That's the only missing link. I think it should be complete now. So let's add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 26, 28. Am I 28? 28. Look at what I'm adding now. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 28, 30. Now it is complete. Now what do you notice in what I am doing? I had to count it real time for you, so you can know the calmness that you have to take when you are doing your own personally. You have to be extremely calm. So this table that the PDF presented for us is wrong. And what is the only wrong thing there? The wrong thing there is that what? Instead of this 4 part to be 4, they wrote 11. So that's the only mistake there. I get what I'm saying now. So this is your assignment. I get what I'm saying now. This is your classwork. You have to do this as classwork to be submitted in class. Let it be marked. So the principal should know that this thing should be marked. The math teacher should know that too. It should be marked. This is the classwork. Are you seeing that now? This is the classwork. Don't mind the solution. Do your own solution. Are you getting that now? And this is the assignment. Assignment number 1 and assignment number 2. Alright, so you have to prepare a frequency distribution table, and then for these two, you should also find their relative frequency. Don't forget that the relative frequency should be what? Should be 1. Also for this classwork, find the relative frequency also. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.